Okay, so I thought that I would teach you how to do a screen recording. If you want to make some lessons and you don't really want to show your face and you just want to be able to demonstrate some sort of a task, then it's really easy to do using PowerPoint. So I'm going to show you this. So if we go to PowerPoint, by the way, I'm already recording. So obviously I'm already recording a screen recording of how to do screen recording. So that sounds a bit bizarre, but if we go into PowerPoint and we go to File, we go down to Options, we have all these different options. Now, I'm not going to go through all of them, there's no point, but if I go to Customize Ribbon, and then we look down here, there is this option to choose Recording. Now, yours will probably won't have that checkbox ticked, but mine is because I'm recording. When you choose OK, if you've ticked that checkbox, you can go in and you'll see now that if you look at this is called the ribbon, and if you look across here now, you have a new one called recording. Then what you can do is choose screen recording, and it will come up on your screen like this, and you can select the area, and then you highlight the entire area if you want to, or only a small area, and then you can record. You'll see that the option buttons are up the top, and you can see the duration of when you recorded. It's recording audio, so it's a fairly decent audio recorder. So if you, for example, were to create a lesson, for example, let's go to our Compass page, and we were talking about just recently a class of, sign in, for example, sign in, very secure our network to ensure that we are all the people that we are. And if we go to Compass, for example, we might have, say, I'll do for example my Year 9 class. Here's my Year 9 class. I have created these videos for them to be able to learn what we're doing. So I've made some YouTube videos, and I've also placed the assessment on there. Now, if I was to explain the assessment task, I could possibly go in and open up the assessment task for them and then go through it. If you had a booklet, for example, you could have an electronic copy of the booklet open, and you could go through and explain the tasks that are required to be done using that. Now, the options are, once you create the video, if I press stop now, it's going to create a file. So where would you put that? Well, you could probably put that onto your class news feed, and you can see I've put some links on there. These are lessons that I've done this term with my Year 9s about developing databases. You could probably put it there so you can attach or file upload from there. You can do other things. For example, I have a YouTube channel where I have lots of videos and on my channel which are in playlists. So if I go here, I can go to my playlist and I can show you all the different types of learning. For example, we do Arduino Explorer tutorials, database tutorials, laser cutting, software design, and they can be made what they're called as unlisted. So you can't search them if you're worried about students getting onto your YouTube channel or whatever. But I use my YouTube for educational purposes all the time, and my students are accustomed to going to YouTube and watching my videos. So they are an option, or as pointed out to me, you could probably go to our portal and place them into an area where we could actually gain access to them as well. So we might have in the portal documentation that the students can access, and you might want to just place on your Compass page a link to where you have placed the videos that you want to do the teaching from. So that's just another option. And of course, this would be, instead of using, say, Teams, if you want to screen record and have a meeting with them, you could already have the video there ready for them to go. I hope that helps, obviously with all the tuition that's coming out from Shane, I guess the best thing we want to do for everyone is support them in being able to deliver their lessons. Hope you enjoyed this video.